Hello guys, I am back with a new video and now I am going to unbox another spinner which is red in color, and now it is fine plastic, and it is not mine, and I got it from my friend Vinay, and now I am going to unbox it. Okay, you can see this fine quality. We got a tray and it is spinning nice. See this here, we can in caps we can get a halo like structure by which it gives more grip. Now I will open caps and I will show them. Wait for some bit. Okay, now you can see this is a small bearing. Why? Because my friend had got it for 60 rupees, 60 or 70. I don't know the exact price rating. And honestly, I am telling that it is 60 or 70 in our village. Okay, you can see this. It is nice. Nicely it is spinning. The color is so much bright, and you can see here no bearing. Okay, it is nice. Okay guys, I will be back with some more new videos, so please subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like it.